Do you wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? What about those bedroom struggles that seem to come out of nowhere? Most men over 60 are told this is just part of aging, but I'm here to tell you that's a myth. The real cause of low energy and bedroom performance isn't your age. It's a silent deficiency in 3 specific nutrients. Hello, I'm Dr. Hale, with over 30 years of experience in the field of geriatrics and preventive medicine for the health of the elderly. Before we dive in, do you feel like you have less energy now than you did 10 years ago? Let me know by typing yes in the comments below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips. In this video, I'll show you how to naturally restore your energy and vitality using medical-grade nutrition, not expensive pills. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal one common food you're eating that's secretly killing your testosterone. Now, before we get to the 3 nutrients, I want you to get comfortable. Grab your coffee, your tea, whatever you've got. Are you ready? Let's dive in and talk about the first nutrient on our list. Let's talk about something many of you experience, that sleepy but still tired feeling. You go to bed early, you get your full 7 or 8 hours, but you wake up feeling like you didn't sleep a wink. It's frustrating. And for men over 60, it's a feeling that can become a daily struggle. This isn't just a matter of getting more sleep. It's often a sign of a deeper issue with how your body produces energy at the cellular level. This is where a little-known hero, Methylcobalamin, comes in. This isn't a fancy drug, simply the active bioavailable form of vitamin B12. Think of it as the high-octane fuel your body needs. It's absolutely essential for converting the food you eat into the energy your cells use, okay? And it plays a critical role in creating the red blood cells that carry oxygen throughout your body, according to a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Up to 20% of adults over 60 may have a vitamin B12 deficiency. When this happens, the consequences go far beyond just feeling a little tired. You might notice your memory isn't as sharp, experience brain fog, or even feel a tingling sensation in your hands or feet. These are signs that your body's vital systems are struggling without this crucial nutrient. Many men make the mistake of buying standard vitamin B12 supplements that contain cyanocobalamin. While it's a form of B12, your body has to convert it into the usable methylcobalamin form. As we age, our ability to perform this conversion becomes much less efficient. Meaning, you might be taking a supplement that your body can't even use properly. Start by looking at your supplements. Check the label and make sure it specifically lists methylcobalamin. You can also find some B12 in foods like lean beef, chicken, and salmon. But for therapeutic results, a quality supplement is often key to restoring your energy. Making this small change can be a game changer for your energy, memory, and overall well-being. Stay with me. We've talked about how to get your engine running again, but what about the high-performance fuel? The next 2 segments are going to focus on something even more personal and will address the other half of our conversation. Now, let's turn our attention to something a bit more personal. It's a concern I hear from so many men, a decline in sexual performance. You may have found yourself wondering why things aren't quite what they used to be. It's important to know that this isn't necessarily a loss of desire. More often, it's a symptom of a common physiological change. The real root of the issue is often a lack of adequate blood flow. The good news is there's a powerful natural solution for this. And its name is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that your body produces to help regulate blood flow. Think of it as a natural signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. This process, called vasodilation, is essential for healthy circulation throughout your entire body. As we get older, our body's ability to produce nitric oxide naturally decreases. Some studies, including research cited by the Mayo Clinic, show this can decline by as much as 50% by the time we reach 50. This can affect everything from your heart health to, of course, your performance in the bedroom. A big mistake many men make is believing that pills like Viagra are the only answer. These medications work by temporarily boosting the effect of nitric oxide. but they don't address the underlying issue of low natural production. They're a temporary fix, not a long-term solution. You can actively boost your body's natural nitric oxide production at home. Focus on foods rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Fantastic sources include beets, celery, and dark leafy greens like spinach and arugula. A simple daily glass of beetroot juice can be a powerful addition to your routine. Remember, a sedentary lifestyle is a major contributor to low nitric oxide levels. So, alongside your diet, consistent exercise, especially resistance training, is a proven way to stimulate production. It's a natural win-win that supports both your heart and your confidence. All right, let's talk about the master hormone, testosterone. You've probably heard that your testosterone levels decline as you get older, and that's true. But what many men don't realize is that this doesn't have to be a free fall. Instead of accepting the decline as inevitable, we can actively support our body's production of this vital hormone. The key often lies not in complex drugs or expensive therapies, but in two simple, foundational minerals: zinc and magnesium. Both of these minerals are critical players in hundreds of bodily functions, including those that directly impact your hormonal health. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition highlighted that zinc supplementation can significantly increase testosterone levels in men. Similarly, magnesium is essential for over 300 enzymatic reactions, many of which are involved in the delicate process of hormone regulation. Without these two, your body's ability to maintain healthy testosterone levels is seriously compromised. When your testosterone levels are low, it can lead to a domino effect of issues beyond just bedroom performance. You might experience a loss of muscle mass, a decrease in bone density, and a noticeable drop in mood and motivation. This is why it's so crucial to address these foundational nutritional gaps. I see a lot of men focus on advanced, expensive supplements, while completely overlooking these two basic nutrients. They are so fundamental to your health that they are often dismissed as unimportant. But their role in hormone synthesis is anything but. You can easily boost your intake of these minerals. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and spinach are rich in zinc. For magnesium, focus on dark chocolate, avocados, and almonds. You can also consider a quality ZMA supplement, a combination of zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6 taken before bed. It's a simple routine that can support better sleep, muscle function, and, most importantly, your hormone health. Remember this: the true key to reclaiming your vitality isn't found in a pill or a quick fix. It's in your hands, through understanding and providing your body with the medical-grade nutrition it truly needs. The most valuable takeaway from this video is the power of that knowledge, instead of just accepting fatigue and a decline in performance. You now know the true cause often lies in the silent deficiency of vital nutrients like methylcobalamin and nitric oxide. So, what's my one small piece of advice for you today? Simple. Take one tiny step. Check a supplement label you already own, or add a handful of spinach to your dinner tonight. The biggest changes in life start with the smallest actions. The journey to reclaiming your energy and confidence is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and take it one step at a time. If you're ready to continue this journey with me, my next video will dive even deeper into the specific foods and exercises that can naturally supercharge your testosterone. Too. Keep moving forward on this journey together. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video. I look forward to seeing you